Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and trade in TradingView. First, you need to connect your brokerage account. Look for the trading panel, typically at the bottom of your chart, to get started. This panel is your gateway to placing orders. Make sure your account has enough funds, perhaps a minimum of $100, to execute your desired trades smoothly. This initial setup is crucial for a seamless trading experience. Now, let's place an order. Choose the asset you want to trade, like a stock or cryptocurrency. Decide on your order type: a market order for immediate execution, a limit order to buy or sell at a specific price, or a stop order to limit potential losses. Enter the quantity, for example, 10 shares. Double-check all the details, including the price and total cost, before clicking the buy or sell button. Once your order is placed, it becomes an open position. You can monitor its performance directly within the trading panel, seeing your current profit or loss. It's wise to manage your risk by setting stop-loss orders to limit potential downside, perhaps at a 5% drop. You can also set take-profit orders to secure gains. You have the flexibility to modify these orders or close your position manually at any time. TradingView offers many advanced features to enhance your experience. Dive into sophisticated charting tools and a vast library of indicators to refine your analysis and identify potential opportunities. Consider using the paper trading feature to practice new strategies with virtual money, allowing you to gain confidence without any financial risk. This is a fantastic way to learn. And speaking of smart choices, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.